So, how do we make money selling sneakers in 2022? Everyone knows that these past few months have been especially tough for sneaker resellers. There's been no good releases, or releases that have been good have not yielded as much profit as they used to. What ways can we still make money? I think there are 4 key ways that sneaker resellers can still make money in 2022. In this video, we're going to go over those 4 tips. What's up, everybody? My name is State from Juiced. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and the second channel, linked down below. Going to be doing a $100 giveaway over there very, very soon, so make sure you subscribe to that channel as well. Now, we're going to go over the 4 ways, in my opinion, that people can still make money reselling sneakers in this sneaker recession. First way, obviously this is the one that we're all accustomed to on this channel, is botting. Sneaker botting is still around. You guys can still make money sneaker botting if you do it wisely. There have been releases lately that if you don't invest a ton into your setup and you just get a couple of pairs, you can still yield a little bit of a profit. Days are gone where you used to be able to spend a ton of money on a setup, get a ton of pairs, and make a ton of money. These days, it seems like no matter what, you are spending a ton of money on your setup, and even if you hit a decent amount of pairs, you're still not making any money. So what can you do? You can limit your setup costs by choosing wisely the proxies, the cook groups where you get your information from, and the bots that you use. You don't always have to buy multiple instances of bots to still be successful on release day. One good bot with solid proxies, really good Gmails, can yield you a few pairs on a Yeezy supply release, and that alone will net you a little bit of profit. It's not as much as it used to, but it still will make you some money selling sneakers as a sneaker botter in 2022. The second way, and this is an interesting one that you guys don't talk about enough, especially in the botting world, we don't focus on this one, Nike outlets. Nike outlets can be a huge way to make money as a sneaker reseller. This is something that I've done in the past, and even to a lesser extent, stores like Marshall's, like Ross, maybe even Goodwill. I'm not really sure if they carry anything. The current climate that we're in right now in the sneaker reselling scene, Nike's releases haven't all been selling out. So what does Nike do with these Nike Dunk lows, these Nike Dunk highs that people just don't buy? Or they buy and then they return to Nike. Well, Nike starts dishing out those pairs to the Nike outlets. I saw a video not too long ago from Sneaker Invest who got a bunch of Jordan 6 Carmines from a Nike outlet. People get Nike Dunks from outlets these days. It's very, very simple. Shoes aren't going to sell out like they used to, so therefore some stock will be going to local Nike outlet stores. Some things you can do, obviously you can go check your local Nike outlet, see if there's anything there that you can make a profit on. And guys, one thing that you can do is you can just call the store. You can call the store, don't say, hey, do you have any shoes for resale? No, that's not gonna get you anywhere. That's just gonna get you on the watch list from all the employees, and they're gonna try to limit what you can buy. What you guys need to do is you can call the store and say, hey, do you have any Nike Dunks in store? If they have some Nike Dunks, you can possibly get a product number, color, something like that. Check it out, see if it's worth your time. But honestly, any Nike Dunks that they have, they're probably discounted too, so you guys can get a Nike Dunk low instead of $110, maybe $90, maybe $85. That's gonna leave even more room for profit, and you guys will definitely make some money off of those shoes. So check your Nike outlets, check your Marshalls, your Rosses, any stores like that. You will be able to find some shoes that you guys can make a little bit of money on. Another method that I want to talk about for making money for sneaker reselling in 2022 is quick flips. Guys, not every hype release is going to yield you profit anymore. There are some releases that you can just buy up very quickly and sell that same day, something like that, maybe on eBay for a good amount of money, and you can make a little bit of cash. One shoe that comes to mind whenever I think of quick flips is Nike golf shoes. I have done this in the past where I've got Nike golf shoes, sold them that same day, either on eBay, something like that, made a little bit of money off of those releases. Nike golf shoes are pretty easy to sell. There's always a market out there for them, but there's a ton of low-key releases that come out that honestly, a lot of the sneaker community just looks over because there's no hype to it. you guys can still make money off these releases. And right now, I think these are some of the best things to go for. So keep your eyes peeled for the low-key flips where you guys can just take these sneakers and quick flip them. The last money-making method that I want to talk about, how to make money reselling sneakers in 2022, is investing. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You hear investing, you see pyramid schemes and everything like that. You see these crazy people on YouTube, Twitter, whatever it is, telling you to buy up random shoes that they're going to go up 10, 15x over time. A lot of times that doesn't happen. I think there are channels out there that you guys can think of, or specific people that doesn't happen. What can happen is in a very, very bearish market that we're in right now, where people are just, they're fearing, right? So they're just trying to get rid of their pairs, and the prices are, you guys can probably find some shoes that you can scoop up right now for steal prices, not only from places like StockX, places like Go. Check your local stores, your local consignment stores, check your local Facebook marketplaces. I'm sure you guys can find some sneakers and haggle the price down even more. There are shoes out there, Jordan 1s specifically, that you could get right now for $80 to $100 less than they were reselling for 2-3 months ago. You can hold them just a little bit. I'm very confident that they will go back up at some point in the near future. Jordan 1s always recover pretty well. I don't think this is any exception to that. Although, you guys could probably sneak up some shoes for a pretty good deal right now. Jordan 1s, Off-Whites, things like that. There are shoes out there that will hold their value and that are still holding their value right now in the sneaker recession that we're in. So that is it, guys. That is 4 ways you guys can still make money reselling sneakers in 2022. Number 1, we always have botting. You guys can definitely still bot to make money. Number 2, the Nike outlets. Be sure to check all your Nike outlets. I guarantee there's one near you somewhere. Number 3, quick flips, those low-key releases. You're always going to be able to make money off of those somehow. And then number 4, you can invest into some sneakers these days. It is profitable. You will make money. So those are the 4 ways that you can make money reselling sneakers in 2022. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to that second channel linked down below to be ready to enter into that $100 giveaway. Video coming very, very soon on that channel. Turn your post notifications on. You're going to want to be one of the first ones to watch it for sure. As always, guys, if you need any reselling tips, any reselling help, be sure to check out Juiced.io. All links are down in the description. We've got huge things coming at Juiced over the next few months. The team is working very, very hard behind the scenes to bring you guys just an amazing experience. I can't wait until we can officially talk about it here on the channel. Stay tuned for that. Be sure to have your post notifications turned on. I will see you guys probably tomorrow for another brand new video right here on the channel. This is Soul State from Juiced, signing out.